Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we're here with Kiprich and JahVision with a song called Journey. Yeah. This sound like a conscious one. Don't know Kiprich a bad bumbuckler artist from them time till now. JahVision are the first I go react to a song to fit JahVision. So JahVision, big up yourself, my fam. Shot them entertainment, big up yourself, bro. You reach out to me and say, yo, dog, reaction time. So I say, all right, then no problem in that. So I'm take out my glasses. Only no trouble, you know. Only no trouble. I could jump in that one here and here with the G say, let's go. Kiprich.
It's a fine melody, though.
Moment of life. Can't make them bust a jewel like butcher. Stay far from them long distance looker.
Yeah, dog, you can't give away your 3 pints, bro. You have to protect your sanity, protect yourself, protect your life, protect your 3 pints. Can't make them bust your throat like butter. Stay far from them, long looker. You know? Yeah, big up JahVision.
Bust a jewel like butcher. Stay far from them long distance looker. Friend and family of snitchers. You try get rich and try take you out the picture.
Facts. Let me tell you this. You see, when you're on the same level, in a person mind, when you're on the same level as them good with you. You see, once in a fit them mind once more, in a fit them mind, you see, once you elevate past them start pray you. Them start find some type of fault. Them try to do something to bring you down, bro. I just saw people stay nowadays, bro. Hard to find the good ones, them. So when you find the good ones, them cherish them and keep them, you know. Pull up that blood clot though. Let's go. Waterhouse Records. Up top.
Moment of life.
Cinematic production. Big up the production team. Ready?
Can't make them bust a jewel like butcher. Stay far from them long distance looker.
Sure.
Friend and family of snitchers. You try get rich and try take you out the picture. And them fuck up your life, full up your back with the knife. I feel nothing them right, yeah.
That a facts. We feel every word they keep on just say a while ago. They would have fuck up your life, bro. But better be a stabbing in your back, you know? Just because a simple little thing can stop a person from can start a person praying, bro. The simplest a little thing. You beg me 99 times, me give you 1 time you beg me not have it, me Jenny don't have it for you. You start praying me. Yeah.
Fuck up your life, full up your back with the knife. I feel nothing them right, yeah. I pray for you, not see the light. From your bond you a fight. Them not like you, but you we know how we in. We sure are the win, and no poor how we ting, yeah. That's why they want me I sing. Songs for me bring up full of feelings, yeah.
Definitely, this definitely full of feeling, bro. That song is definitely full of feeling. Pull it up once more. Bad song. Waterhouse Records. Kiprich, JahVision. Call up bad.
It's a fine melody, though.
Shot them. Big up for payment to the one, bro. Big up yourself, shot them. Like butcher, stay far from them long distance looker. Friend and family of snitchers, you try get rich and try take you out the picture. And them fuck up your life, full up your back with the knife. I feel nothing them right, yeah. I pray for you, not see the light. From your bond you a fight. Them not like you, but you we know how we in. We sure are the win, and no poor how we ting, yeah. No. That's why they want me I sing. Songs for me bring up full of feelings, yeah. Don't make them confused on nothing. Every great man never slow beginning. Sure. I said the most and I know we live in, but we ready for born in the skin. Yeah. Them no know. journey. And everything you see we with now we deserve it.
Work hard to my things, bro. So anything you see me with, me deserve it, bro. Enough sacrifice put in, bro. Enough hard work, enough sleepless night, man, got through. For reach at a certain level in a life, and some pussy I got three that them can run in and those bad mind, you. Eh? Where you come from, man? You wasn't on my journey. So you want bad mind me for the glory. Bright. Rude.
Them don't know we journey. And everything you see we with now we deserve it.
No, man.
The G them confirm it. So we no worry about nothing when no concern we.
Yeah. Them don't know we journey. So anything you see we with now we deserve it.
Sure.
The G them confirm it. Say we no worry about nothing when no concern we.
Me love all them share the chorus there, so. JahVision go first and Kiprich go first, uttering the same thing that JahVision say. But me like that. Me like that little concept that we go on a while ago. Man, I say, yo, anything when a concern me, me no business with that, bro. That not pay me. That not pay me, bro.
See them confirm me, say we no worry about, not knowing no concern.
Don't worry about it.
Me feel nice, chain full of ice. She and the enemy now, retries. Electric up on the toll, bright light. But feel when me.
Hear that? Electric vehicle on the toll, so the man think for the future. Electric vehicle on the toll. Know that, no man?
Me feel nice, chain full of ice. She and the enemy now, retries. Electric up on the toll, bright light. But
what him say? Electric, that him say, right? Electric vehicle, right?
now, retries. Electric up on the toll, bright light. But feel when me want, I me not fight.
We feel nice, go for the top prize. Never make a move if we feel it not wise. Enemy chastise, them chat lies. Now hear when them talk, we no listen that nice.
No see them. Ray Charles, Stevie Wonder, no see them. Now hear them neither. Deaf enough. Deaf enough. Me deaf. Me deaf.
The top prize, never make a move if we feel it not wise. Enemy chastise, them chat lies. Now hear when them talk, we no listen that nice.
Them don't know we journey. And everything you see we with now we deserve it. The G them confirm it. So we no worry about nothing when no concern we.
Yeah. Them don't know we journey. So anything you see we with now we deserve it. The G them confirm me, say we no worry about, not knowing no concern we. Save me. Jah love me.
Jah love me. Jah love me. Jah love me. Jah love me. Them don't know we journey. And everything you see we with now we deserve it. The G them confirm it. So we don't worry about nothing when they confirm it.
Yeah. Them don't know we journey. So anything you see we with now we deserve it. The G them confirm it. Say we no worry about, not knowing no concern we.
Mumbo club. Yo, this bad. No joke, this bad. It's bad. JahVision, the first me react to a song for you, or the first me hear a song, very impressed, bro. Very fucking impressed, bro. And like you're saying in the song, bro, I feel it, bro. I feel what you utter, bro. You see me? Feel what you utter because I can hear the pain in your voice, bro. I can hear the realness in your voice, my fam. You see me? Kiprich was always bad bumbuckler artist. Once again, why this song not have the views where it's supposed to have? Because people don't gravitate to good things. Be a fuck them gravitate to, you see me? JahVision, good bumbuckler song. Kiprich, good song. Big up the production team. Waterhouse Record. Shot them entertainment. Respect for pointing me in the direction. Other one here, bro. Two bad singer. Well, me can't call Kiprich a singer, but another one here sing still. You see me? Kiprich a bad DJ. You see me? But yeah, bad song. People, look in at the description of this reaction video. You're gonna see bad JahVision Vevo channel tonight. make sure you go over there, go subscribe, and tell them to JAMAICA'S Gamer react, send you over there. So you see me? So big up yourself, JahVision. Keep up, big up yourself. Big up the production team behind Waterhouse Records. Big up on yourself. So I'm going to leave on. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there. If you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.